Hello friends, I'm facing a weird problem in my laptop. Whenever I try to enable my network adapter, it gets disabled automatically. So what I do is go to Mobility Center and I turn on, it turns on, but then it automatically turns off. And it should be gone any moment. Yeah, so it's gone. So I I did so many things. One of the available option is to go to properties, then you configure power management, allow this computer to turn off this device to save power. I have unchecked it. Then another thing is in battery options, you adjust your plan. So I've chosen high performance. I change the plan setting, and in this is a wireless adapter, power saving mode. What happens on battery and when it's plugged in, it's all maximum performance. And I'm still facing this issue. So friends, I was finally able to find the solution of this Wi-Fi network getting disabled automatically. To go to device manager, there are different ways you can go to device manager. It's just my way. Device manager, and then you have to go to network adapter. So this is my Wi-Fi network adapter. So you have to uninstall this adapter. Basically, I'm just resetting the drivers, and then you need to scan for hardware changes, and it will install the drivers again. And should be able to see my Wi-Fi network connections, and this time they are here to stay. Thank you.